Hi guys, welcome once again to my YouTube channel. I'm super duper excited once again to have you guys on my channel. And for those of you who are joining this channel for the first time, this is Creative Entrepreneurship Channel where we share information that revolves around making money online. I also share information like freelancing and I also share information relating to business. So you're welcome to our channel and I promise to share updates as they come in. All right. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you how I made a little bit of passive income on this app I'm going to be sharing with you. So stick and watch this video to the end as I dive into the app and share my live updates of how much I've been able to make and if it's an app that you can jump in and sign up for free. All right. So let me go into my app. All right, so the name of the app is called Premise. I've recently done a video, so if you have not watched the video, you can go and watch the video before this video. So this is the app. You can download it on your Apple Play Store, and also you can download it on your Google Play Store. So what does this app do? As you can see tax marketplace. So this app simply shares surveys from different parts of the world. So if you're watching from the United States, watching from Canada, watching from Australia, and in some part of Africa like Nigeria and Ghana and some part of Africa, you can also register and start making money from this app. All right. So this app simply is about surveys. You perform personal surveys relating to your community, relating to your school, relating to religion, and so it's very vast. So and also you see a part where you see locate. Locate is simply telling you to take a live picture of either a company or organization. So you can see under the locate, you can see 360 mines in your area, plants 360. That is Naira because this is Nigeria. I register with my account. So freight in your community 300 Naira. Also city technology near you 300 Naira. So most of all these tasks takes within 5 to 10 minutes to perform, depending on how the tax is vague. So also the survey region, you can see jobs and livelihood. So you can perform this tax within 3 to 4 minutes and you get 12 Naira after your job has been reviewed. Also, the next tax is 300 Naira, faith and religion in your community, which is 3 to 4 minutes to perform. So one thing I like about this app is that I've been working on this app for quite a while now, and also they release tax every day. Yeah, you heard me right. So each time I log in into this app, there are tasks to perform, and which is why I like about this tax. And also, what don't I like about this app? Sometimes the tax are low in income, which is a little bit small. So, but I believe consistency is key. So just like I said, for those who are in Europe, they may have opportunity to work more on this app. So if you're watching this video and you've made a lot of money from this app, kindly go to the comment section and share your experience so that people who are trying to register can benefit from this app. All right. So let me go over to my wallet. So far, so good. I've been able to make 456 Naira on this app. So these are my live approvers. You can see 12 Naira. So far I've been doing 12 Naira tax. So which is a little bit kind of small. And also I believe if I could perform the locate tax, which is 360 and the last one among it is 300, I'm going to make more money. So why am I doing this video? I'm doing this review so that you guys can see that this can also make you money on the side. So you can simply go and download the app. So guys, if this app is an app that you can use to make a little bit passive income for yourself, I'll be dropping the link to my description, and also I'll be pinning the link to register on my comments section. So guys, if you have benefited from this video, kindly subscribe to this channel if you are yet to subscribe, and click the notification bell so that when I drop videos like this, you are going to see them and benefit from them. Thank you guys for staying through to the end. I'll be seeing you guys in my next video. Goodbye.